Hi, my name is Ksenia and I would love to share with you everything I know about dancing. In the Secrets of Solo Online School, I have 4 courses. Each one is really precious to me. Each one is like a Pandora box where I share with you my creative ideas, concept, tools, and techniques on a certain topic. One of my courses is called Secrets of Charleston 20s. When I started dancing jazz, I was absolutely mesmerized by the idea of silent movie, the flappers, all the movement and everything that surrounded this era. So I took a lot of time standing in front of the mirror, watching old video clips and creating this image and the body language to dance 20s Charleston. So in this course, I'm sharing with you the technique of how to have the Charleston body, how to twist, how to execute this or that movement, but as well, the ideas about the style, how to create your Charleston 20s character, because 1920s Charleston dance is not only about the steps, it's really about this theatrical character and the atmosphere that you're going to create in your dance. World of Kicks, the name really speaks for itself. The whole course was built around one movement and a very interesting question that Konstantin Stanislavski and his acting system inspired me to. What if? What if I do this movement to another side? What if I turn it? What if I cross it? What if I do it to another tempo? And so on and so on and so on. So basically, I realized that with one movement, if you're being creative and you know the tools of improvisation, you can build a whole musical. In this course, you will discover more tools of improvisation and how to be creative, as well as many variations of kicks. Solo Jazz 101 is a special treat for all those who would like to start dancing solo jazz. The course starts with the most basic information of how to bounce, how to hear the music, what is offbeat, and how to snap and clap to the music. Then we're gonna learn the main jazz steps, so the most important thing, the vocabulary. Drop, continuous fall and gravity. Taka to taka to taka to ta. Diggy-da. Secrets of Improvisation is the course that was born in my head from a funny fact. I was actually tired and bored with my own dancing at some point. Like when I would go improvise, I would just feel like I'm repeating the same steps over and over again, and I was wondering, how can I find a new way? How can I find a way to be more creative and musical when I dance? And so I started researching this question, watching different musicians talk about this topic, asking other dancers, looking for the answers in the other dance styles. So this course contains these precious ideas, tools, and exercises of how you can start dancing with more creativity, invent your own footwork, find new variations, be more musical. Jam Circle is a community forum made specifically for my students. They can go there, they can share what they're working on, they can ask questions to personally me or to any other students. They can send me the videos of their practices every month, and I respond with a video feedback to them, giving some tips, advices, commenting on their dancing, and maybe helping out with ideas how to move forward. You want to learn how to dance? Just dance every day, non-stop. I think absolutely anyone can become a dancer.